Friends, welcome to our channel PVSK Education. Please give your valuable subscribe and like. Today we discuss on PowerShell. So in that PowerShell we will see functions and array and how to create own Cmdlet. So I mean how to create own uh, command. So how to create one command, so like that. So let us see the session today. So going to PowerShell, we know about that. This is our YouTube channel. Kindly give your subscribe and like. So going to PowerShell. So PowerShell ISC. So PowerShell integrated uh, scripting environment. We go to the run as administrator. So run as administrator. So now we open the PowerShell. So we know about before that the PowerShell is introduced by Japanese scanner, and he is introduced. So we completed different commands in before class, how to enter, I mean which command used for which purpose. We already discussed on that. So so that is the main thing. So here execution policy, we should know about execution policy. So execution policy means get hyphen execution policy, set hyphen execution policy. So here get hyphen execution policy to get the some very important information like restricted, all signed, and remote signed, and unrestricted. In that same constraint, in set hyphen execution policy, set hyphen execution policy is used to set the execution policy. So get hyphen execution policy to see, I mean to observe which execution policy we have. So that's used for get hyphen execution policy. Here commandlet simply tells you which of for execution policies. So for that, use get hyphen execution policy. So policy that determine which Windows PowerShell script, so if any, will run on your computer. So is a current infos, and here Windows PowerShell execution policy include the following. What is that? Means restricted. Restricted means is, we know that PowerShell used for automation. Here no scripts are running in that constraint, restricted constraint. So restricted means no scripts can be run. Windows PowerShell can be used only the interactive mode, and all signed means only scripts signed by the trusted publisher can be run. So remote sign means downloaded scripting must be uh, signed by the trusted publisher before they can be run. So and unrestricted means no restriction. All window PowerShell scripts are I mean scripts can be run in this unrestricted constraint. Is the same as set hyphen execution policy. So this execution policy used to set the I mean used to change the execution policy in our PowerShell environment. So restricted, all signed, remote signed, and unrestricted, same policy which we just now we talked about that. So going to the I mean practical. So we know that here. So this is control pan. I mean this is console pan and scripting pan. So control in control pan, control R to jump from one window to another window, means scripting to console window or console to scripting window. So now how we can check get hyphen execution policy. So get hyphen, it shows the remote signed. So remote signed means we are we can run downloaded downloaded scripts also we can run. So that's the main thing. So here hyphen list, when you give this, so it shows machine policy, user policy, process, current user, local machine. Here machine policy, all users get this policy, I mean all users, so under this policy. So user policy means it's applicable to current user. Next, process means we know the process. So here get hyphen process for that user for this. And also here current user means exactly only current user, applicable for only current user. And also local machine means here, so it's our machine, who is used, for example our laptop, so it's a local machine. So this is a get hyphen execution policy. So how to know? Very easy. Get hyphen execution policy, then we enter that. So remote sign, how to change, how to set this means set hyphen execution policy. So this is useful to set here. So here set hyphen cls, clear the screen. So here set hyphen execution policy, so hyphen execution policy. So here all signed, bypass, default, remote signed, restricted, unrestricted. So here undefined, sorry, undefined. So I want remote signed only. So remote signed. So then hyphen. So scope which you want here. Scope means current user, local machine. So where you want to apply this policy. So remote signed where you want to apply. So that's the scope. So here I want current user, for example current user. Let's check here. So it shows like this, give s to all. So it's setting. So then again I want to go to local machine. So when you enter this, so it's also shown yes to all. So it's also setting. So then I think remaining are not allowed, I think. So machine policy, all users, applicable for all users, not applicable, because some constraint is here to applicable this. So machine policy or user policy must be set a group of policies. So that's why it's not applicable. And also here another we have process. For process also it, oh, so we can able to change here. So and also then again can go to here. So then user policy, I think it's this is also not working. So then cls, clear the screen. So get hyphen, so get hyphen execution policy, enter this. So sorry, hyphen list. When we enter this, so see this, before process is not remote signed, now only it's remote signed. So these are work in administrator, because administrator has some special permissions to apply this type of execution policy. So that's why we should do it in administrator only. So that's why. Then this is the main thing here. Then how to install our anything in your Windows server by PowerShell ISC or PowerShell administrator. So how to install means here CLS, very simple here. So I want to know here which packages. So get hyphen package provider. So get hyphen package provider, it shows which packages, but we should maintain networking, then only it shows like that. So here check this, we have this type of packages. We have chocolatey, msi, msu, net NuGet and PowerShell Get and programs. So here short description also and versions also here. So I want to install this. So anything. So for example, install. So insta install here, install. So hyphen, so install hyphen package provider, you should take package provider. Then so but package, that's only we get from get hyphen package provider, install hyphen package provider. you should observe that first. Then uh, I want to install neg NUGET, then hyphen forceful is very important here. Forceful. So forceful. So check this. So it's connected to internet, and say check this, it's installed within seconds. So same like the chocolate, I want to install chocolatey. So chocolate, I want to install this. So here uh, chocolatey. So LATUY. So chocolatey. So chocolatey hyphen force, again it installed same like that. So with version, so we know that which version is available, so that version I think it's installed with connect with internet, then it get the data from that and installed by install hyphen provider package. So let's see the screen. So it's the installation. So why we install package means if you want to get extra commands, so for that purpose we can install packages. Now again with I will go to with MSI, for example MSI even force. So when you enter this, MSI also installed. So and here MSU PowerShell get and programs, these all are also we should install. So one by one we are installing now one by one. So it's not take CLS clear the screen. uh, so series MSI, so it's not working. So MSI and also MSU, let's check this MSU hyphen force. So MSU means MSU is checking additional arguments. MSI is it for additional arguments, so it's not allowed, so that's why it's also not allowed. Then going to so we are going to now uh, MSI, then we are going to now uh, power. So PowerShell, so PowerShell get, so PowerShell get hyphen force. So series PowerShell hyphen get hyphen force. So I want to install that with the install hyphen a package provider. It's checking with internet and try to download, I mean install that through uh, internet, through internet even provider package provider. So it's installed, like check it in unzipped first and installed. So like this, so it's installed, so like that. Then I think so here package main is, so it's installed. Then finally programs, going to that programs. So programs hyphen force. So check this programs, sorry spelling down, control C. So programs, here is checking with internet. Hyphen force, which is one of the parameter, so it's useful for forcefully installed, so it's also not working. So CLS, so that is the main thing here which we have. So and also install here modules, install hyphen module. So through modules only we can through modules only we can get to install a module. So let's here, if you give name then it's installed. CLS get hyphen module, get hyphen module. So So here get hyphen module. So this is the modules we can uh, we have now. So this is the modules: script module, manifest module. So manifest module, Microsoft PowerShell management for user for, and also security and utility, and also script module package management. So these modules are we have. So install hyphen module. So install hyphen module, I want to install module name. Which name? So name. Next we already know about that nugget. So for example nugget, that module we want to install. That module we just downloaded, and then we install that module. So let's see the nugget module installation. So give yes to all. So now it started to install. So like that. So it started to installation. So like that we follow remaining. We forgot that. Let's see. Before that we know providers. So then install hyphen module. Install. So install hyphen module name. So chocolatey, we have chocolatey module. So chocolatey module. So let's see chocolatey module installation. So it's checking. Then yes to all, and it's installed. So it's installed like this. So uninstallation also very simple here. So install, then MSC not working, MSU not working, finally PowerShell get PowerShell get module, PowerShell get module. These are I think we have, but again I will show how. That's why I mean we have that already, but how to install we should know that. So that's why we will see. That's why we just completed the installation which we want to here. Control C cancel. So here, so which modules here? So sorry, CLS clear the screen. So get hyphen module. So get hyphen module. So this module series. So for example install hyphen module name. So then scripts for example. So script module I want to install this. So this module waiting for installation. So this is searching for installation. I think this module in this again is trying for install. So this this is so it's searching for more time. So install hyphen module hyphen name script. This is the installation process to install modules in PowerShell, IAC and PowerShell also. It's searching more time for installation. So like this. So it's failed finally CLS. So this is the process to install modules. Now we'll so that's the thing. Now we'll go to that here. So aliasing, we know that aliasing we before class we discussed on the aliasing. So get hyphen alias. So get hyphen alias, we can get different alias names. For example nicknames for commands. So nicknames for commands, these are aliasing. How to create own alias. CLS clear the screen. How to create own alias name means here. So we can use this view and show command add on for checking here to alias. So I mean checking here to different comments. So this, so new hyphen alias, so new hyphen alias, then hyphen name, which name you want. uh, First you give that name. For example, mm, first add hyphen app client connection group. So a client connection group, AACCG. I want this name as I mean this command as alias AACCG, and hyphen value, you should give value. Which command? That add hyphen app. So add hyphen app client connection group. So when we enter this is the alias name. So now um, get hyphen alias. So get hyphen alias AACCG. Check this alias name. So like this, we just now create one alias name like this. So very simple here. So this is the setting of alias name. Not only this, but also for all commands, which very big commands, for easy identification purpose. CLS let us in control R. So what is variable? So variable nothing but is a dynamic and it holds the value. We know that. So how to create variable here? So dollar $v1. So dollar $v1. When we restart the user created variable, these are user created variables. It's gone. It's not appeared. So 2 and dollar $v2 equal to dollar $v2 equal to, sorry, here dollar $v1 is equal to 2 and dollar $v2 equal to, so dollar $v2 equal to 4. So let us see here. So and dollar $v3 equal to dollar $v1 plus dollar $v2. You should follow before variable dollar is the syntax for variable here. So dollar, then here write hyphen host, we know that. So for print number equal to dollar $v3. So when we give this, so let's see. So F5, when you press F5 or press this button, so F5 or press this button, so F5, so then we can check the result below as like this. And we dollar F3 mean dollar V, sorry, dollar $v3, when you give this, it shows the result. Series 6, 4 plus 2 6. So that's the result. So where holds the value, the variable holds the value, we should know about that. So it holds the value, we should know about that. Then I want to here CLS clear the screen. So I want to copy this and open a new file. So control C and open a new file, a new window. So control V. So then here I should mention here a int. Int means this is the int, and here I mention here a string. So this is int, this is string. Now check the result. String. Now check the result. Alt F5 means sorry, F5 means refresh. So that number is equal to 6. Now there is no change here without, I mean no change. So dollar $v3 is equal to 6. When, because automatically that automatically that variable, I mean PowerShell know which is string, which is int, I mean number. Int means here data type. Int and string is data type, So int is number, string is word. We know about this. So pvskeducation, I want to enter this word, and here control R, cls clear the screen. So cls clear the screen, then again control R, so F5. So F5, when you give refresh it, it shows wrong. So it holds the before value, that's why it shows the 6. So it holds the before value because here this is the string, that's why it shows like that. So string plus here string plus number is not possible, that's why it shows like this. uh, but 6 is the before value, we know about that. So this is the main thing to know the variable, what how to variable works like this. So this is the main thing here. Then then also we can for example here we'll give that dollar v4, dollar v4 equal to, so here get here get hyphen process. So get hyphen process uh, pipe select. So pipe select name. So when you give this here, so get hyphen process pipe select name. So sorry, get hyphen process, so pipe select name. So pipe select name. So when you give this name, so we want to name, so when you give this and control R, cls clear the screen, cls clear the screen. So again control R, so go jump to and press F5. So when you press F5, it shows like this select. So when we enter that dollar v4, so it shows result series, shows result. It holds this total process, it holds this. So this is the main thing here, it shows series, it shows v4 holds that. So that's the main thing here. So then control or, so then that's the main thing, variable. So how to get the variable here? So get hyphen variable. So get hyphen a variable the, for example v4, see this v4 variable we have, don't give dollar here. So v2 variable we have, then v1 variable we have, see these two values. v1 value is 2, check this, we already given that control R. See this 2, so that's why it shows 2. This value v2 value is this name, so it holds like this. So again we'll check this. So v2 is like this, and v1 is value 2, and v3 is like this 6 value 6. That's why it shows the result 6 every time. And also v4 is this is the v4, where command, that command holds that command value. So that's the main thing here. Then array, what is array here? Controller R, cls clear the screen. What is array? So here array means here very very important, collection of objects and switch, with sorry, here array start with 0 index, you should know that first. So here array are calculated with index addresses start with 0. That's the main thing we should know about that. Then let's see the array structure. So dollar, here array structure, how to know, we should go this and create new script pan here. So dollar pvskarr, so then equal to at the rate, then it's at the rate, then So then give the index values. So here pvsk comma education. So when you give this, so like this, so every index separated by commas. This is the structure of array. So array name equal to at the rate and elements. So elements separated by commas, but each element start. So first element start with 0 index. So how do you here? So f5. So then here I want to this dollar. So pvskarr. So index I want to close the bracket 0. When you give this 0, pvsk will print. Give this 1, so education print. Give this 2, there is no anything, so it's not print anything. So that is the it holds like, so 0, the index address 0 holds pvsk word, and index address 2 1 holds pvs education. So I mean education. So this is the useful array, but it's a predefined here. Arrays index are predefined, addresses are predefined. We are not able to change this. So this is the main thing here. Hash tables. Here hash table also very important. To hash table mainly used for here we can custom index, for use for custom index, but it's a key pair. Here every key follows one value, so that's why it's a key value pair is called as. So here how to set this means, so here dollar pvsk, so it's not print here. So controller cls clear the screen, controller, then here dollar pvsk, so hash, so pvsk ah, so pvsk ah equal to here start with, so same array, then give the value here here fn, first name equal to pvsk ducation. So first name like that, then like this, comma last name ln equal to, so here kindly do subscribe, kindly do is, so kindly do is like this. So then we also followed here, so like this. So here separate with commas, then start with like this. So then f5, when you press the f5, it shows some errors here, shows some errors. So remove this, may not. So when, so then controller cls clear the screen, and controller here f5, press f5. So then here fn, when you press the fn, sorry cls, so sorry here when not fn, so when you press this, so pvs kah, so pvs kah, then fn. So see this pvs kah not working, actually it's not working, but this is the formation to set up hash table. So hash table is for instead of array, use for instead of array key value pair. Here you should follow that key value pair. So then it shows like this. So coming to that, so here controller cls, so here dollar pvsk, so ah, then uh, give that 0, so index is not shown. So for example, when you give that first name fn, so see this, so first name fn shows like this. So this is the main thing here. So here uh, then operators. So coming to operators, so in PowerShell, so operators, we know that arithmetic operators plus, minus, divided by, mod, and comparison operators. EQ means equal to, NE means not equal to. So greater, GT greater than, less than, LE less than. So like this, contain, so non-contain. So like this wild card and regular expressions, very very important in every programming and scripting language. We should use regular expressions. So wild card and regular expression, like, not, hyphen not, like, match, not match, replace. So logical and bitwise operators, hyphen end, hyphen or, hyphen not, hyphen uh, b not, so like that. So here we should know about that. So before that, do the practical thing. So controller, so CLS, clear the screen. So controller, take new window. So new window. Now I want to check this with arithmetic operators. So we know that so dollar m, dollar m equal to here, uh, here dollar m equal to 4 by 2, 4 by 2. So now write hyphen, so write hyphen host, write hyphen host for print. So write hyphen host here, write hyphen host number, for example number, this number I want, number, number, dollar m, so F5, when you press this F5, see this 4 by 2 means 2, answer. So dollar m, press this, gives the result 2. So this is the logical, it is the arithmetic operators. And also then you give this, so here reminder symbol, then we enter this controller CLS, clear the screen, and controller press F5, refresh 0, because 4 by 2 means 0 is the reminder 0. So here dollar m equal to, it holds 0 value. This is the main thing here. And also like this, CLS, clear the screen, and controller, here controller, we know that minus, so here minus 2. So then 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2, then result, I want result here. So alt F5, so 2, 4 minus 2, 2. So dollar m equal to 2, holds 2 values. So is the arithmetic operators. Then comparison operators. So comparison operators means here, so equal, not equal, like that. So open new window, then we will see the comparison operators. So dollar cmp 1 equal to 2, then dollar cmp 2 equal to 3, 4. So here dollar cmp 3 equal to, here dollar cmp 3 equal to, here that very very simple, dollar cmp, cmp 1 ie equal to, equal to here eq, sorry, eq, and neq means not equal to, so equal to eq equal to dollar cmp2. So here write, we know that write hyphen host, we know this. So ans equal to answer, so we know that dollar cmp3 that gives answer. So controller cls clear the screen, controller f5, when you enter this false, because it's not equal, 4 and 2 are not equal, so that's why it shows like that. So if you have a doubt, dollar cmp3 equal to false, it shows the result like this. Then I want to change this here 4. So controller cls, we should do follow cls every time. Then f5, it shows true, so it shows true because 4 equal to 4, it's true. So when you press this cmp 3 equal to true, so it's true because, so like this best example. And for a comparison operator, then wildcard and regular expressions. So in this controller cls clear the screen. So here wildcard means, so we know that get hyphen service, so get hyphen service, so p star, I want with p star, so select here, select, so name, so name, so like this. So which you start with p, this is the wild, this is the search, this is the wildcard search, like this. Then a means like this, I want to start with a. Then b I want to start with b, means it shows like this. So this is a wildcard search, so it's very very useful. So not only a star of I, star b means start with anything but finally b, so name like this. So fb rspub is the main thing, last word is must a, like this, pla. So like this is a wildcard search. So look like a find command, so find look like a find. So then it's going to here uh, like this, and going to here regular expressions also, here example. But we should use here controller, so you can go to new and controller cls clear the screen. So cls clear the screen and controller, then go to here, so dollar, so here w1 equal to uh, w1 equal to, sorry, dollar w1 equal to, so pvsk education. So then if condition we should use here, if condition. So dollar w1 like, here we should use like. So like, so like, so like uh, start with p, start with p, so because you start with p, so like this. And so write hyphen host, so write hyphen host, so write hyphen host, it is true, it is t. Then uh, else, so else otherwise, when write hyphen host, so write hyphen host, it is false, so then like this. So controller cls clear the screen, then controller f5 plus f5 shows like this, it is true because start with p. So if you have a doubt, uh, dollar w1 means it shows, so pvsk education, so like this it's true. So controller, I want to change that, so that script I want to change that with very very small little script. So start with e, for example, start with e, sorry, control z, So start with E. So series here. So here controller CLS, then controller FI. It's false. Start with PVSK, start with P, but we give like means matching. It matches W1 to E, star E. So start with E is false. So when you enter that E, sorry, enter that W, it shows the original result. So like this. So it's a true, it's a working. So that is the wild card and regular expressions. So here regular expressions matching with string. So string matching is very very important, and here replace the string is very very important in coding and scripting languages. Use regular expressions here. So going to that, so new example new. So then start email. So for example e equal to, so regular expression, so here one syntax is here. So you don't check with Google the syntax. And dollar email, so dollar email equal to my email. So PVSK education. So at the rate example, it's not right, example gmail.com. So when you give this, it matches. Now you can match with if command. So I'm sorry, if it's not a command, sorry, if condition. So match with if condition. If dollar email match hyphen match with dollar e. So here, so dollar e hyphen match with dollar e. That's the main thing here. So again we know that the same. So right hyphen post, so true, then else, so right hyphen host, here false. So says, so controller CLS clear the screen and control R give F5. So it's false because that is the main thing. So we know that check with email regular expression format and search like this. So the email to emails matches with if condition. So if condition is very very important here. These two variables are matches with the if condition. So then it's going to write hyphen host. So then it's if it true it's print, otherwise go to the else. So it will go to the else and it's sorry, it will go to the else and it's print false, because it is false it shows the result f. So this is the main thing here. Then finally logical operators. So when we open this logical operator, again new. So here logical operator. So here logical operator, going to logical operator. So here, so again L1. So here dollar L1 equal to, so dollar L1 equal to 7. Then so LOG1 equal to 7. Then dollar LOG2 equal to 70. So two, here two variables, again use if condition. So if here dollar LOG1 equal, dollar LOG1 equal to 7, equal to 7. So this condition hyphen end, then dollar LOG2 not equal to NE not equal to 71. So end condition is if both are same, that's only give the correct result. I mean it shows the truth. So right hyphen holes, we know that. So here true, then else, so else, then it shows right hyphen host, so it shows false, so it shows false, so like this. So let's check again. So two variables here, it's both are compared with if if condition. Here the L1 is equal to 7, L2 not equal to 7. Between both these conditions we used hyphen end. So now we alt F5, press alt control R, say let's clear the screen, and control R alt F5. So true, because the log 1 is equal to 7 and log 2 not equal to 7 because it's 70. So between this AND operator, use that when we use OR operator. So check this result, control R, CLS, clear the screen, control R alt F5. It again shows true because it's both one true, it shows true. So that's the main thing here. So the operators history, arithmetic, comparison, and logical operators, and wildcard and regular expressions like that. So then finally go to the here functions, very important here. So functions. So here nothing but, sorry, here conditional expressions. So now just now we started that conditional expressions. So before that we know. So here see these conditional expressions. So here before that, advantage and disadvantage of PowerShell, we know that object oriented, we know that because it follows .NET framework. So .NET .NET framework it's follow. So that's why simultaneously PowerShell follows object oriented. So then also here background jobs and ease of administration, and so more functions compared to cmd.ext and web script, web script, and a more extensible via cmdlet and plugins. So here plugin means nothing but, here one of the main thing you should know, that plugin means here it's a link to the it's a link to the external network. To get the package or software is a use the main plugin use in Jenkins and different technologies, plugins terminology. So here disadvantage means so we WinRM for should have WinRM to connect the remote access and remote creating operating systems like hackers here. So hackers, we some easy to hack the script is the main thing here. So that's the main disadvantage. And also going to conditional expressions and conditional here. So here do, see this do. So here see this do while, see this do while. So this do while. So here start with this is the syntax to follow this $I. So do right hyphen host $I. Dollar means here variable, this is the variable. I plus plus, here is the increment I plus plus, and while shows again dollar like this. So then shows like this. So this is the do while syntax. So it's a loop. So then again loop, for loop, very important. So here for loop. So variable code increment, this is the main thing here. for loop we should know about this uh, here. So initialization code repeat, this is the initialization. $I equal to 1, initialization $I less than 5, that is the code, and $I plus plus means repeat. So in do also same thing, that syntax, and write like this. So it's a loop. So this is the main thing you should know about that. Then finally, then so here, here this is also very very important here. So for each loop, for each loop, so items in collections, so int even I mean array, follow array, and for each loop it's repeat 1 to 5. I repeated that. So this is the for each loop. Then so then going to here. So yeah, this is a class, this is where class, very very important, where hyphen class, I mean where hyphen class. So it's useful to find the content, I mean find like a find command. So where hyphen object find command. Then finally, so then finally switch, going to switch. So switch like this array, and 1 to 5 switches it. So using default constraint here. So here conditional expressions, where hyphen object, switch, and for each, for, do while, do until, if. These all are conditional expressions. So go, this is the main thing in scripting, also used for more purpose here. So functions, going to functions. So what is the function means here? Code, the interface between code and user, that is called function. So here this function used for improve code quality and code improvement and code replacement and easy to understand the code. So there's a main thing in functions. So how to define functions means, so practically let's see how to define function. So it's very very simple, and go to that pen, and take another new thing, I mean new window. So say let's clear the screen, we know that. So control R, so then control R. So function, how to set the function here? So very very simple, function command. So function here, uh, so function, see this. So function, see this function, param keyword here, dollar small a comma dollar small b. So see this param keyword you should use. So param keyword, then so dollar c equal to dollar a plus dollar b. So see this dollar a plus dollar b equal to we know that right hyphen host, ans answer dollar c. So see this. So before that function we should follow. So see this is the function. Then param keyword dollar a dollar b, this is a variables. So param keyword used in functions. So control R cls, then control R f5. So here some mistakes are coming, which line. uh, so I think all are good, I think. So here see if right host and answer. So param keyword, then it's a very small thing. Then finally, so then dollar a equal to 9, dollar b equal to 6. So dollar a dollar b equal to 6. No, it's not working actually, but it is the function dollar param dollar a, like this param keyword you can use here. So it's not working actually, so otherwise you can go to another way. So here function get hyphen for example get hyphen help, for example help. So get hyphen help. So here uh, so process get hyphen help. So get hyphen help. So for example pipeline, help or pipeline, get hyphen pipeline. So get hyphen pipeline. So process here uh, process uh, the value the value the value is, so here the value is, so dollar underscore present, it shows the present thing. So it's remove this. Oh, so remove this, then run this, then it shows the result. Control R CLS, clear the screen. Dollar F5. So when you press the F5 process, when you press the F5, then 1 comma 2 comma 3. So get hyphen pipe pipeline. So it's not okay. Sorry. Here the value is correct actually. Value is correct. So the value is like that. Think let's check again. Control R CLS, the screen in Control R F5. So CLS, but it's not working actually. This is the main, this is the proforma function. So if you want to here if you want to providers and let's go into providers and drivers. So here here providers here providers.net libraries, nothing but use it for data interface between user and data here. So this is called as providers. So providers through providers you can get the data. So each provider at least one drive. So each provider at least one drive here. So drive means to get access the data. Drive is used for access the data. So get hyphen, we know that ps providers. So get hyphen providers. So registry, alias, environment, file system, function. So here variable certification. So WS man is the main thing for remote, remote connection. So is the PS provider. And also get hyphen drive. So get hyphen PS drive. So PS drives series, different type of drives, C, D, E, we know, environment function. So we know this different type of drives, CD, CKCU. So it's not going to enter. So CLS. So like this. So we have different types and mount points here. This is the mount points, root mount points. So this is the about provider and drive. So then finally how to here create our own commandlet. I mean what command means a controller will take another new and going to control J shows the snippet. So complete here advanced function. So see this going to complete advanced function. So it shows like this. So here we know about a command is used to know what is the purpose of that command. So here two types of commands comment sorry two types of comments we know about that. Single line comment, multiple line comment. This is the multiple line comment. Here comment is used for the purpose of the command. So here synopsis and here description and examples. So I want to create one thing here is change. I want to change this. So here update 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 the service. So update the service with provided parameter stopped or started. Sorry, restart. Stopped or restart. The two constants only in check. So again same copy and paste below. So I want to copy this. So copy, control C, copy and paste here description. So control V, and also this command, finally give this command, which command is. So here update hyphen win service. What is the command I want to create? Hyphen service name hyphen service name. So hyphen service name ALG, example ALG service hyphen restart hyphen verbose restart hyphen verbose. So this is the then is the this is multiple line comment. So this is multiple line comment. So I want change. Then we know that commandlet syntax variable hyphen noun. We know that. So that's why we change this here. So update hyphen win service then. So this is very main thing here. We should know about this. So command let binding for create new command. So this is the main thing. I have not entered any aliasing. Remove this. So param for parameter. So then here series so here, so up to here we can remove that. So remove here. So then so here so mandatory is true. So mandatory value from pipeline true, and value from pipeline by property name true. Then position 0. So here close the bracket and close it. So here close, so here close the bracket, close it and enter. Here service name, so you should give service name, comma, parameter 2, so in parameter 2 stop set you should give so here you should give sorry dollar service name, so service name then description, then here stop, here stop set, then here so remove this total, here switch, then stop, dollar stop, comma, so copy the same thing, control C, then here delete, control V, so here restart, here restart, we can use restart, here restart set, restart set, so restart set, then going to here, no need to give anything, begin, so in this begin write hyphen verbose, so updating dollar service name, then so that's it. In process, coming to process, here if we don't want this, so in process just if stop, if dollar stop, then set hyphen service hyphen name set hyphen service hyphen name then here service name, dollar service name hyphen status hyphen here stopped, so same thing, copy this, then if else going to here, so if else sorry, else if dollar re restart restart, then doing this control V. So here running, so see this like this. So end, coming to end, here verbose again. So use this verbose, control C, control V, verbose, verbose done. Verbose here you should add with done. Done. So this is main thing, and then give another, but that's it. So again we will check again total. So there is multiple is a this is the main thing. This is a multiple comment, then function. Want to create this function, and then so you update even win service. So update even win service, then commandlet bound for own commandlet. So param keyword. So service name, then stop set, then restart set, restart set, then restart restart, then begin, then verbose update here. Then in this process we should follow if then set and else, then end with double ends. So verbose like this. So finally can get this. So we'll save this, control S, sorry, save this here. So save here on desktop with update hyphen win, update hyphen win, update hyphen win service, update hyphen win service. Start with this. So we controller CLS clear the screen. So we should go to administrator ISC, but no need to take ISC, but we will see this. So this dot spacing we can use for dot spacing, then space, give the space with dots, then here. So we know that update, see this update. So we know that update hyphen update hyphen win. So update hyphen win, shown not shown. So update hyphen win, but we know that we are not in that CD. See this controller, clear the screen, controller. So controller, to run this we are not in that. So that's why where we can find this. So control C, desktop, control C, is go there, control V. So see this. So we are now in that. So dollar, so space dot spacing. So then use this. So use this update win.ps. So we know that .ps1 automatically default case. So we enter this. So it shows the like this. I think we are in administrator. Checking again, is there any status running? Is fault stop and running, right? Is there any mistake? Think some mistake. Token, unexpected token. This check this brackets. So here we start with function, finally end that, and also there is no problem here, here also no problem. Then param end, then here no problem ending with 0, yes, with 0 is it's true. Then here this p2 now it's okay, and with this restart okay, switch okay, begin with 1 and close this, process start with and close this. So okay, there is no what closes here, I think process close, okay. So end close here is I think extra, control S, clear this, save here and run it again once again. So see this CLS, clear the screen, control R, see this. So it's worked, so it's worked here, and give that command. So update, so is that update, so update, sorry, update hyphen win, so update hyphen win, so update hyphen win service, then hyphen here, so update hyphen win hyphen here service name, then ALG. So it's worked like this, but here is not such up. So we'll go to, so PowerShell, so go to PowerShell administrator, go to PowerShell administrator, so PowerShell administrator here, yes, then we'll see that result. Let's try to pick up that. So it's in systems now, so then is control V, we are in this so CD, that's why we will give CD change directory, so then dot space dot update dot, so it's worked, then update, so update hyphen win service here, so like this we can create service name and service name, so it's worked, so like this. So we can create like this. So please, your valuable subscribe and to our PSK education. Thank you very much.